There's some rain coming.
Let's go see the soccer players.
What?
You want to go see the soccer players?
Oh, yes.
Okay, better crawl on the stairs. What was the best part of school today?
I don't know.
Oh.
I got a fish.
Oh, good.
I can do it. Look, I got a new fish.
Oh, that's so fabulous.
Can we bring this fish home?
I think we should cook it up for dinner.
Sure.
And what else?
We could cook some more leaves.
Yum. What else?
Broccoli fishes.
I love those fishes.
And popsicle fishes.
Oh, those are the best.
And soccer player fishes.
Those are salty. What would Claire like?
Fish.
Mm-hmm.
And a little bit of broccoli fish.
Yes, she would like that too. All right, let's go. Come on. Run, run, run.
It's fun, fun, fun. Run in a circle now. Run in a circle. Run in a circle.
Can we sing the witch song? Will you sing the witch song with me?
What?
One little, two little.
I don't like that song. Let's play.
No, I like it. Jump over haystacks, jump over ditches. Slide.
Down the moon without any hedges. Hi-ho. Halloween. Here.
Good.
Let's sing the moon song.
Okay.
One little, three little leaves fly over haystacks, fly over ditches, slide down the moon with any hedges. Hi-ho, Halloween's here.
Yay!
You can hold 3 leaves while I carry the 6.
Okay.